Hey, welcome back, my amazing student. So we are almost done with the CRUD here for this application. Now we're missing to delete some of the actions here. So we're gonna update that in a bit so that way we can start deleting. But what I'm gonna do first, I'm gonna build the backend, all right? Usually in my applications, I build the backend first because I already know what I gotta do, right? And then I work on the front end. I'll get an idea how the front end is gonna be and everything, but I work mostly on the back end. I'll do all the CRUD first and all this stuff. And then, yeah, the HTML goes next after that. But anyway, what I'm gonna do here is a delete route. So I'm gonna copy this. As a matter of fact, all this right here, okay? And it's gonna be a post request. It's gonna be the same thing here, but we're gonna change delete to say delete. We're gonna change this to say delete as well. We are gonna get the contact out, the same thing we are doing here. And then here, we're just accessing the database, delete, just like that. And that's it, right? We delete the contact. No, we gotta pass the contact. And then we'll do session commit, just like that. And then here, we'll just return a redirect to the UR, to the main, right? So let's do main. Let's do double quotes here, main.home, just like that. So that's it for the route. It should work 100%. There's no reason why this shouldn't work here. Now let's go back into index and let's take a look what we can accomplish here. So in the actions, this should be the actions, right? We got edit right here, okay? And we should have a delete button right there as well. As a matter of fact, it should be a form in here. So we gotta work on fixing this. But right now, let's go ahead and put the form here because I wanna get this done with, get this over with. Actually, that's what I meant. And this form is gonna go into that route. So we're gonna say URL for this action is gonna go to that route. And we're gonna say main.delete contact, _contact. And we're gonna pass in the contact ID because we're waiting for that, right? And do you guys remember how we pass this? Yes? All right, good. Like that, right? All right, make sure that you're passing in method of post as well, just like that, all right? All right. So one thing here that I want to do, let me just put this down so that way you can see it. Right here, I'm gonna do submit. So I'm gonna put some JavaScript so that way we can verify the user actually wants to delete this. So I'm gonna pass this function, this JavaScript function called confirm, and I'm gonna say delete this contact, just like that, right? Boom. Okay, lastly, what I want in this form is some type of button. And this one is just gonna say delete. Let's put a class here of underline just to make it look like a link, right? Just like that. Alrighty, let's see if this actually looks okay. Yeah, that doesn't look right. We need to work on the class for the form. So let me put a class on the form here real quick. Let's call this inline margin left. Let's put it 3. There we go. And that should do the trick. Okay. So if I click on TPN, because I don't want to actually take off Rosita, right? She's from the team. I mean, she's a woman, she's a lady. And it says, hey, you want to delete it? And I'm going to say, no. What about this guy? No. Of course, we got to delete one, guys. Come on. Oh, my God. Look at that. That has been deleted. I'm going to refresh just to make sure that I'm not seeing things here, guys. Unbelievable. Call your parents, your friends, your boyfriend or girlfriend, whatever, and show them what you can do actually now. Awesome stuff, guys. You're building a really awesome application here, believe it or not, and you're going to be learning a bunch of skills. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. and I'll see you on the next lecture.